The government aims to try and address budget concerns for children's programs as the country grapples with various issues regarding the youth. Paolo Barcelon joins us on the phone from Quezon City to dish out the details. Hello, Paolo. What can you tell us?
Good afternoon, Mai. The government has launched its Child Budget and Expenditures Tracking Tool, or CBET, in a bid to identify, tag, and monitor budget allocations and expenditures for children at the LGU level. Council for the Welfare of Children Executive Director Angelo Tapales says the aim of the program is to ensure proper funding and support for necessary programs that protect children, such as funding for child welfare, nutrition, and health. The program is funded by the European Union and the UNICEF through the EU UNICEF Public Finance Facility, and Tapales adds that the launch of the program is timely as the country is set to tackle its budget priorities and in line with recent issues on school violence. Mental health, he says, is among the programs that local governments should prioritize. Mai?
All right, Paolo, just to pivot on one of the hot topics today, I understand Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong is there. What is the tea on the allegations that he has made on questionable flood control projects? And did Malacanang already reach out to him?
Well, we did speak earlier before the start of the program to Mayor Magalong, and he told the media that no one has approached him yet when it comes to allegations that he had presented. He had repeatedly said and stressed that he's just waiting on someone, either from the House of Representatives or Malacanang, to invite him. But we kind of got a little bit curious, Mai. We asked him if he's open to becoming appointed as part of government, even though he currently is serving as Baguio City's mayor. He said he's open to advising the government about corruption policies or anti-corruption policies or corruption programs in the different projects. But right now, he says he's focused on his third and last term as the local chief executive of Baguio. And just to pivot back to the topic of today's forum where he attended, some of the concerns that he identified that he is still trying to address in Baguio City are children in conflict with the law, as well as recent issues on bullying. Both concerns, Magalong says, are being handled by the LGU well and truly sorted, Mai.
All right, did he dish out any information on what kind of a role, if any, will he play in the investigation that we hope they are going to launch into these questionable projects?
Great question, Mai. Well, we also tried to ask Mayor Magalong about it. He says he's open to attending hearings. He's just waiting on formal invitations to him from the House. But he said he's really open to working in an advisory capacity, trying to advise the president or other senior officials in terms of what they can do when it comes to their anti-corruption programs. Because as a local chief executive himself, Magalong says he's open really to just giving advice for now and probably identifying the project that he had been talking to the media for quite a while now. So we'll get more clarification about that role, because I think in just a little while we will be having another interview opportunity either with him or with Budget Secretary Amina Pangandaman.
Right. Good to hear from you, Paolo. Thanks for the update.